So in Flowly's platform, bid leveling is one of the core features, and it's incredibly simple to do. Unlike traditional processes, which take a lot of time, effort, and involve digging through multiple files and developing a deep understanding, Flowly makes this task much easier. To start with bid leveling, you just head to the AI chat, where we have a component called Build Chat. Click on it, and the system will ask you which files you want to include in the process. So here, I'm creating a folder called Test the Leveling Simply, and within this folder, I'm going to upload a couple of files, Pioneer Group Bid and Noted Group Bids. Once uploaded, I simply attach these files to the bid leveling component. I'm marking it with no comments since Flowly can handle complicated markups and annotations seamlessly. You can add as many bid files as you like, 4, 5, 6, depending on how many bids you want to analyze. In this case, I'm keeping it simple, and I've anonymized all the data in these files, including names, pricing, and any sensitive details. You can also include the original scope item and add any comments if necessary. If you're using Excel or want to push this data to Microsoft platforms, that's also supported. After uploading, I just click Analyze this bids and Flowly begins processing. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Though bid leveling is typically complex, here it's fast and smooth. Flowly's system boots up, starts analyzing the files page by page, chart by chart, and processes the content intelligently. It starts with the Innovate Group's bid, examining and extracting all the important data, then moves to the Pioneer Group's bid for landscaping. While this is happening, there's no need to sit and wait. You can go about your work. The system will notify you once the task is complete. As it analyzes, Flowly creates a new file compiling all the findings. For the first file, it extracts and appends relevant data. Then it moves on to the second file, checking its structure, tables, charts, and even understanding handwritten notes or obscure markup. It processes each file thoroughly and appends all findings into a consolidated document. Once both files are analyzed, Flowly begins finalizing the bid analysis. It compiles a final file, copies the necessary data, and presents the completed analysis. This whole process took me about 5 minutes. The final file includes detailed analysis such as total bid amounts, maintenance, GST, warranty, exclusions, both detailed and general, and flags any obscure language or special concerns. It also gives me a comparison summary so I can fully understand the differences between bids. In addition, the system provides executive summaries for each analyzed bid, one for the Innovate Group and one for the other bidder, helping you understand how the conclusions were reached. But the final analysis file is where everything comes together and gives you a full picture. Though I only use 2 bids here due to time constraints, the platform can easily handle 5 or 6 bids and complete the analysis in under half an hour. For large, complex bid packages, it may take up to an hour, but it still saves you an entire day to a week's worth of manual effort. Once the analysis is complete, I can send the file to myself, download it, print it, or export it. If I have a custom template, I can apply it. I can also ask the agent to create a Word file in my OneDrive. Initially, the system might generate a PDF, but it's smart enough to understand context and convert it into the format I need. Once that's done, it saves the file and gives me a shareable link. And that's it. We analyzed 2 bids and saved the full report to a shared drive, all within a few minutes directly through chat. That's it. Thank you.